In this video, we'll explore running Scikit-Learn classification functions using UnifyML SQL with a focus on the Naïve Bayes classification algorithm. We'll walk through how to use the Scikit-Learn Naïve Bayes classifier with a UnifyML query. First, specify the input table name, along with the necessary input columns and the target column that you want to predict. Also, define the partition column on which you want to partition the data. For instance, if you're working with a time series dataset, you may want to partition by a date or region column. Next, you can apply parallelism settings to run the query in parallel and make the execution faster. You also have the option to scale your data using one of the 4 available methods: MinMaxScaler, StandardScaler, Normalizer, or Binarizer. For MinMaxScaler, you'll need to specify the minimum and maximum values, which will scale your data between 0 and 1. Additionally, you can save the trained Naïve Bayes model for future predictions. Specify the Save Model option and provide an output model name. This will allow you to use the trained model without needing to retrain it every time. If needed, you can change the data types of any column by using the Input Data Types parameter. This is useful if your data is not in the format you require for the Naïve Bayes classifier to work effectively. Training sample size is another key parameter. Split the data into training and test sets by specifying the training data value, and the remaining data will be used for testing. You can also set the number of partitions with a number partitions parameter. The data cleaning process is important for accurate predictions. UnifyML offers 4 methods to clean your data: remove rows, remove duplicates, remove outliers, and fill missing values. For the fill option, you can fill any missing or null values with specific values. Once all necessary parameters are set, run the query. This will execute on the UnifyML backend, and you'll get output that includes key performance metrics such as MSE, MAER, MSE, our superscript 2, accuracy, and the model name. Now let's move to the prediction phase. For the Naïve Bayes classifier predict query, provide the input table and the model name you saved earlier. As with the training query, you can partition your data, adjust data types, apply data cleaning, and scale the data as needed. You can also save the predicted results to the database by selecting the Save to DB option and specifying the output table name. If the table already exists, you can overwrite it by setting the Overwrite Output Table Boolean value to true. Alternatively, you can save the predicted output to a CSV file by providing the output CSV file name. Once you've set up the prediction parameters, run the query. It will execute in the UnifyML backend and generate the predicted values in the target column. By following these steps, you can apply the Scikit-Learn Naïve Bayes classifier to any classification dataset and make predictions based on your model's requirements. Thank you for watching this video.